Welcome to how to earn money from ChatGPT. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money from ChatGPT by blogging. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So what I mean by blogging, if you see the site, there's a lot of writing in the site. You can name it blogging or copywriting, or there's a lot of names for this writing. So people or site managers or the businesses pay a lot for writers to make these writings. As you see, you can go to anywhere in the site and you'll see a writing or copywriting, and a lot of this will be paid for a lot of money. So you as a site manager or as a freelancer, you can make all of these writings for free using ChatGPT. If you have the header or the title or the type of work that you are going to write about, so here I will tell ChatGPT to write me a blog about traveling for a travel website. So write me a blog for my website about traveling and make it for 2 pages. So as you see, ChatGPT made me a 2 pages blog for my website. So this is the first page and this is the second page, as you see. And here's a conclusion if you want to end with it. You can always manipulate anything that comes from ChatGPT to your liking. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.